it's me Marietta. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make your very own lip scrub at home. This lip scrub recipe is very effective to get rid of dry and chapped lips. It contains natural ingredients that you can find in your own kitchen. First thing we need is coconut oil, some sugar, lemon, and some honey. We also need a bowl and some empty containers like that one or this one. You can use any kind of container for your finished product. This lip scrub recipe is simple to make. Just put 2 tablespoons of sugar into a bowl. Then add a teaspoon of coconut oil. And mix the 2 ingredients together. Add half a teaspoon of lemon. Then last, add half a teaspoon of honey. And once again, mix all the ingredients together. And there we go, guys. The lip scrub is good to go. We can now start spooning the lip scrub into our containers. There you go, guys. My DIY lip scrub. To apply, just gently massage the mixture on your lips for 2 to 3 minutes. Just like that. Get rid of all the dry skin. Once you've done, you can either wash it off with water or wipe it with paper towel. It's edible, so do it once a day or every other day. It depends on your lips needs. Then follow it up with your favorite lip balm. So I'm using my own lip balm. So just put it on. I use my own lip balm to moisturize my lips all day. So no more dry lips. That's it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hope you find this recipe helpful. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.